be no politics, first of all,
Yes.
as highlighted, because we need to live here like earlier days with peaceful coexistence. That is the ultimate crux of the resolution we have come to know out of this particular meeting. Secondly, it is being ensured by our West Gentia Hills counterpart, border magistrate and our learned advocate, and the demand was that whosoever was the culprit behind the incident of killing a native of this particular Tapat village, he would be taken to task. At the same time, he would be handed over as per the procedure of law after due investigation as well as per the procedure of IPC and BNSS. Thirdly, today we have come to know that meeting after meeting we cannot call for, convene for, and everyone cannot attend this meeting time and again, even if we are willing. Because why we cannot await? Because of this particular crop. This particular crop cannot wait for under 4 or 5 days. Okay, we need to know that, and it belongs to someone who is a native of West Gentia Hills or some natives of our own Tapat village at the same time. It will be affected both the counterparts at the same time. So it should be harvested urgently and with the consensus of both these village headmen. My village headman is here, that is Tapat. He has also opined today, and your village Lapangap is here. He has also consented at the same time that there will be no law and order, okay, regarding harvesting. So this has been the thing we have come into conclusion today, that harvesting cannot wait time and again with lot of meetings after meetings, because so many spokesperson is there at the same time. Every day they would be giving a new terms and conditions. We cannot await like that at the same time, because of the fraternity, because of the peaceful coexistence in the greater and larger interest. We need to know that you are going to hand over the culprit whosoever committed this crime on 9th of October, where we lost our dearest brother or Aribal Timum. At the same time, we are going ahead with the harvesting and some plantation at the same time, because this has been going on since centuries. It should not be an issue like taking some weapons, threatening each other, because we are in the same boat. We need to know that.